2016 GMC Denali 5.3 liter of pure white goodness. Yes, because it's white. Pearl white, by the way. Yeah. That's a sexy pearl white. You gotta admit that's a sexy truck. Timmy, you think it's a sexy truck? That is a GMC. Yeah. Louder. Yeah. Okay, he likes it. Finally, a truck he likes. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then we crossed it over and did true duals. It had the stupid dreaded third cat, so we had to put a high flow. MagnaFlow part number 94008. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 1/4 in the middle. Then we went ahead and put 2 FlowFXs, part number 71415. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 mandrel bent tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, into some massive signature 5-inch exhaust addicts tips. There and there. Look at that. That just looks sexy on that Denali. There's the stock muffler that was on it, tailpipe, resonator, and tip. That's what comes on them originally. And now it looks so much better. That's how they need to be coming from now on. That's why they changed it anyways on the new ones. So, but I like these more. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Perfect. Hit it one drone, so it's perfect. It's going to be nice and deep. What do you think? Perfect?
Yeah, buddy.
Reaction?
You nailed it.
Yes, sir. He's a friend of a friend, so he's our friend now. Go ahead again. Tosh, this is for you, buddy. Here's sound decibels. Again. Not too loud, it's perfect.
That is perfect.
Anything under 100, it won't drone.
That is perfect.
And then it'll get a little bit louder in about, let's say 30 days once those mufflers break in. That look is perfect too, man.
It does.
Those perfect tires too. Rich Glapplers, Nettos. He's got to put a lift on it too. We might do round 2 with this one, guys. When he brings it back, we're going to put long tube headers on high flow cats in the front. Wow, that's nice. Again. Let you guys hear it on the inside. GMC Sierra Denali, Jared. Can you say Denali? Say it.
Denali?
This is the Floridian saying Denali.
Denali?
And me, Tennessee boy, say Denali. Denali. With 5-inch tips, FlowFX, True Dual, High Flow Cat. Here's the idle. Yeah, baby. Nice.